Yeah, that's a great summary of it. So Thomas has a question here in the chat. He's asking, do you expect these distinctions will merge together in the near future, or and there will be another kind of position? Or what do you predict and how it will evolve in say 10 years? And this kind of is one of the questions I wanted to ask you too, is do you feel like there's a difference between a machine learning engineer and an MLOps person? Is there any, if there is anything? Yeah.
So that, yeah, I think the names, like nowadays, yeah, I don't know how much sense like names make anymore, to be honest. You know, you go into a company, you have a specific, you know, or maybe non-specific, but you kind of work on stuff. And then you kind of decide whether, you know, whether you're a machine learning engineer or a data scientist, or I don't know. So to be honest, I think names will definitely evolve. But I also think like, and you guys have been saying this too, that I think, you know, the role is evolving and is becoming a little bit more well-defined. So like the machine learning engineer thing, yeah, it's real. It's all about like end-to-end stuff. So yeah, now going to your machine learning engineer versus MLOps, I would hold my hands up there and say, I don't know. But yeah. Prediction-wise, I think the data scientist thing is not going to be around forever. I think like it's becoming a little bit, I think there's so much baggage associated with this kind of role name nowadays. There's a lot of damage as well, like to what it means to be a data scientist. Such an umbrella term, and I think, yeah, definitely it will be broken down into things that make more sense.
Where do you see it evolving into? Just more specific terms?
Yeah, I think we'll probably go back to more basic stuff like so I think data scientist might become like what it once was. So go a little bit. It will make sense for companies to do R&D and do a lot of like experimentation because it's science role, right? I think things will move more towards the engineering naming side. So I think like the machine learning or the I don't know, like data engineering, like kind of perturbation will become more prominent compared to data scientist. Yeah, I don't know. That's not a great answer, but kind of, yeah.
No, it's perfect. It's perfect.